Start event blocks. In the last video, we reminded ourselves which program blocks allow Edison to do activities indefinitely or until a certain condition is fulfilled. In this video, we will go over all Edison start event blocks. For activating the section of the program, Edison waits for an input from a sensor, message from another Edison, or even a signal from a TV remote. For connecting Edison to a TV remote, you will need a correct barcode sheet. For revisal also use the start event block sheet. Edison start event blocks are located in the start events menu. There are 19 blocks here in total, which are divided into 3: getting an input from a sensor, receiving an infrared message, and receiving a message from a TV remote. They can also be called parallel programs because the program is working on both the start program and the events at the same time. The base start block can't be deleted from the work window, but it doesn't have to have any program blocks after it if you add the start event blocks. Let's go over the blocks one by one and make 3 programs as well. First, the blocks related to sensors and inputs. Start when an obstacle is detected. The event is activated when the robot detects an obstacle. For example, the main program could be driving forward indefinitely, while the event could be doing a beep when an obstacle got on the way. Start when one clap is detected. The program activates the event when the sound sensor hears one clap. Start when 2 claps are detected. The program activates the event when the sound sensor hears 2 claps. Start when the triangle button is pushed. The program activates the event when the triangle button is pushed. Start when the round button is pushed. The program activates the event when the round button is pushed. Start when a white surface is detected. The program activates the event when the robot detects a white surface. There are 6 blocks related to receiving messages. To use these blocks, you need another Edison to send out the correspondingly colored message. Start when the blue message is received. The program activates the event when it receives the blue message. The message doesn't contain any number or command in it, which means the activity that is performed upon receiving the message has to be programmed by the user. Start when the pink message is received. The program activates the event when it receives the pink message. Start when the green message is received. The program activates the event when it receives the green message. Start when the purple message is received. The program activates the event when it receives the purple message. Start when the orange message is received. The program activates the event when it receives the orange message. Start when the indigo message is received. The program activates the event when it receives the indigo message. There are 6 blocks related to receiving commands from a TV remote. Before using them, we need to connect the remote with Edison for the first time. This means we will have to use the barcode sheet bundle with this video. Let's start by placing Edison in front of the barcode, like uploading a demo program. Press the round button 3 times. Edison will drive over the barcode and await a signal from TV remote. The button that you press on TV remote will from now on be paired with the activity that you chose. Each barcode has a corresponding activity and number marked next to them. Since we will use the same sheet when turning Edison into a remote-controlled car, then don't be frightened when the robot also immediately does the activity marked next to the barcode, for example, driving backward. I'll drive over code 1 and press the button arrow down on the remote. I'll drive over code 2 and press the button arrow right on the remote. I'll drive over code 3 and press the button arrow left on the remote. I'll drive over code 4 and press the button fast forward on the remote. I'll drive over code 5 and press the button rewind on the remote. I'll drive over code 6 and press the button start on the remote. Now we've activated all 6 commands and can use them in our program. The commands affect all Edison in range that are paired with the remote. I wrote a program where I can play music in Edison spanning 6 notes. Now it's your turn. Complete the challenge on the screen and see you in the next video. Challenge. Go to edblocksapp.com, choose the menu option Start Events and create a program that uses at least 3 events.